Hello people, it is me, Master Zimzy here, and today I'm reviewing Licks FE hub. And before you guys go and fucking comment that this hub is skidded, literally the owner said that he didn't make any of the scripts here. This is all just a hub so you can have all the scripts in one fucking spot without having to execute like 90 different scripts. So basically that's what I'm going to be going over today. Also, if you didn't know, we're going to be doing a giveaway every month now on my Discord server, as well as every 1,000 subs, because, you know, why not? So don't look at that. But if you come right here to my server and you go to giveaway channel right here, all you have to do is just react with this emoji right here, and then you're entered. And as soon as we hit 1,000 subs, I think we're like 300 off another 1,000. I'll put another giveaway in here for you guys to win. And they usually last around like 2 days. So as soon as this one ends, I'm gonna start the one for next month. So it will be what is it? It would be January. Yeah, January 23rd is whenever it would end. So make sure you join the Discord server and enter right here, because that's literally all you gotta do, and then you have a chance to win. That's literally all I'm asking for. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's get into reviewing the hub right now. So I'm gonna attach real quick, execute, and the menu is kind of big, but I mean, it's fine. we can make it work. So you have 5 scripts right here: FE dog pet, FE soldier, some SCP-1 head pet, and hoverboard. So the one I got on right now is the dog pet. I think I already know what script this is gonna be. So all you do is you just click this right here, and it'll pop up this menu with the hats you need. So I got all the hats on right here, and I'm gonna execute. Oh god, I already knew it was gonna be this fucking rock creature. So right here is the little dog script. It follows you around. It just looks like a fucking cube, bro. It looks like some shit from like a PS2 game. And yeah, that's basically this script. I'm trying to remember if there was anything else to it besides, you know, it looking like a goddamn piece of shit. And yeah, that's it. So let's go on to the next script. Damn, I can't even kill it either. So the next one I'm going to be reviewing is the head pet. Literally, it's just pet owner name. What the fuck? Pet owner name. What the fuck? Oh, okay, well, I don't have anyone else in the server. Hold on, let me get my alt in here real quick. Okay, Dwayne The Rock Johnson joins us again. Okay, so let me type in MattRad86. He will be our new owner. Okay, so now I am basically bound to this man. He is my new pet. I will follow him. Okay, so yeah, basically I just follow this person anywhere they go. Is there anything else I can do besides follow people? No, I guess that's it. I guess you're just a head that follows whoever you want to follow. Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't think I've reviewed this script before. So you know, let's go on to the next script. Okay people, so now I'm gonna be reviewing this SCP one. So I have it right here. Let's execute it. I forgot which one this is. Oh, okay, it's loading reanimation. Alright, so I remember what this one is. So I have it loaded right here. You know, you can walk with this one. Q lets you run at supersonic speeds. You just run up to them, fling them across the fucking map, and then you kind of just sit here. You pretend to be an SCP basically. F, okay. What does F do? F lets you pray to God or some shit. I don't know. I look like I'm humping the air real quick. Okay. I haven't found what any other key does, but I know Q lets you run at them. And yeah, it basically kills them. So that's it for me. If you want this script, links down below. There were 2 other ones I didn't review. Those cost Robux, but the ones all the ones I reviewed right here are completely free. So if you want to go check those out, link to the script down below, and credits to the man who made it, to Goma, even though he didn't make the scripts, but you know, he made the hub, so you know, that's still good. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.